Well, hello everyone. I'm nearly back from my holiday. My day, my 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 like year off. I'm not quite finished, but I'm getting closer and closer. Nearly a year. Anyways, this is my first twin top video I'm gonna make. Hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you can really kind of solid pop. Guys, I'm not quite ready. Let me just move it over here. These bottles. Anyways, while we're washing in the twin top, these few sponges. I've done some videos. I've done some washes, and this I've not used this in like a year. I haven't used it. Just pop it up there. See? Oh well, you can see it. Yep, you can see it pretty well. Like I just filled up some water. Go ahead and see it from the bottom area to see through. I'm gonna get a little more water. Anyways, this is just preparing it. I'll grab a little water. I'll grab some water. That's pretty good level. I'm gonna get some soap. I'll be right back. Just grab a little soap. Got some soap. I'll pour in a little soap. I got it from the inside. Pour in some soap. Pop it back. Right back. Put some soap in. Turn the power on. And I'm going to turn it on. The timer doesn't work on it because it's been used for a year. Let's turn it on. 3, 2, 1. And I think that's good. Anyways, that's part 1. So see you guys in part 2.